Sanibonani bafethu, yabona ke makukhulunywa ukuthi bafethu igame inabantu abangenanhliziyo. Ukukhulunywa into ezikanje bafethu, yabona. Into engiyithandayo lana ukuthi amaqiniso ayaziveza bafethu. Yabona ngoba abantu abaphatha kanjani wenzeni amaqiniso ayaziveza bafethu. And kunenye ivideo ekhahlanga nabo esithi khona abantu abakhule behlupheka most of the time baba greedy. And mengiphikisana nayo la movie la video leya, but manje mova isikhathi ngiyabona izabantu asifani. Kunabantu abakhule behlupheka abakwazi ukunakela abanye abantu ngabe sibe right. Kunabantu abakhule behlupheka ngabe sibe right baba greedy, bacabangela bona bodwa abanandaba nabanye abantu, bazibona bengcona abanye abantu. Ngiyayibona into leyo. Into engifuna emphasize ke lana bafethu, mangivuka ukuthi usisi into wayenza kula track ethamba juba bafethu. From when it's come to recording, when it's come to bhadala ama-masters, yonke lanto nje mabese studio ebhaye igawulo ebhaye ama drinks yonke lanto, it hurts me ukuthi akatholanga even ne royalties out of that song, yabo, because yena makuyenza ngobuntu lanto, yabo, mengazi kusasizombig fire, yabo, because most of the time thina abantu abamnyama sinobuntu kakhulu and isikhohle ukuthi hayi ukuthi wonke umuntu omnyama njengebala unobuntu bafethu. Omunye umuntu akasinabo ubuntu, sibe adapte ubulungu phakathi kwabo, bala lo moya obulungu ukuyuzana bafethu. And yangihlukumeza mangibona ukuthi uSifiso wayuza usisi kangaka, and basiphuma indaba bafethu ukuthi kahle usisi was there for uSifiso isikhathi umfazi kaSifiso esesibhedlela. Yebo lento leyo, and lento leyo bafethu yakhomba ukuthi bafethu usisi umuntu onobuntu kakhulu, yabo, but sometimes ukulunga amelekanga ukusebenzisa kubantu abengekho right. Niyayibona into leyo. Namhlanje akathola ama royalties, ubomi bakhe bubuhlungu bunja. Niyayibona into leyo. And abanye abantu abarealize ukuthi kahle when it comes to music it's all about business bafethu. I would always say that when mawenza umculo focus ku business. Ungabe nendaba ukuthi umntana kini, ungabe nendaba ukuthi le ngoma anazane like angaka be famous, because you never know ingoma izoblow. You will never know ingoma izoblow amazomba viral. Uzorecord la ngoma ku studio backroom studio, ni drop ingoma ithi viral, the person mayini ndichikhulisa lapha ka ripalise ngaye bese adla imali anishiye ninjalo bafethu. So into ebalekile as an upcoming artist ngiyanicela bafethu noba so upcoming artist mama le video le sebenzisa idulo of blangata man. Yayibona